So this question states that a finance manager has decided to use sensitivity analysis to determine the change in selling price which would cause the budgeted profit to become a loss. And that is essentially what sensitivity analysis is looking at. How much can something change before it changes your decision, whether you accept the project or reject it, or whether you make a profit or potentially make a loss. It doesn't actually change anything. It doesn't actually create a prediction of what's going to happen. It just tells you how sensitive you are to things changing. So when the question asks which of the following statements is true, we just have to go through each one and reconcile it back to our definition of sensitivity analysis. So the first one, as a result of the sensitivity analysis, the manager will know how likely it is that the selling price will change to one that will mean a loss is made. And this is not true because it doesn't tell you what is going to happen. It doesn't tell you the likelihood. It just looks at how sensitive you are. So that's not correct. If we then look at the second one, as a result of the sensitivity analysis, the manager will know with certainty what selling price to charge. And again, it doesn't tell you what to do. It doesn't tell you that this is going to be the best option. It just looks at how much things can change by before it changes your decision. So that is not true. C, the sensitivity analysis can still be used even when the selling price is linked to the sales volume. Now, what this is implying is if you lower your selling price, your sales volume will increase. And as a result of that, you can't look at sensitivity analysis for selling price on its own because it's intrinsically linked to the sales volume. If one changes, the other one is going to change too. So if we look at the final one, D, as a result of the sensitivity analysis, the manager will know how far the selling price would have to change before a loss would be made. And that's the key to this. It's just providing you with information about how much things could change, and therefore that one is the correct answer.